Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to resize a printable. In today's printable we're going to use my 5 and Thrive tracker from my Etsy store, Rising to Be. And this printable is just to help you conquer your day and time using my 5 and Thrive tracker, helping you to thrive and survive your busy schedule. So you're basically just going to choose 5 tasks that you're really looking to, 5 goals that you're really looking to achieve, and each day, Monday through Sunday, as well as a Sunday through Saturday one. Alright, so let's get started. And I also have the link for the printable down below. So first, we're just going to press print. And once that loads, alright, so once you're in your printing settings, you're going to make sure you're going to change the paper size. And here I have a happy planner and mini planner. And so the measurements for the happy planner is 7 by 9.25. And you can easily add a new custom page size by clicking manage custom sizes. And here you're just going to enter in your paper size. So here I have 7 inches and then 9.25 in height. And once you have that, you're all good to go. And then you can easily add another one. Here I have mini planner, which is 4.75 and 7 inches in height. And then for here, this is just a regular standard size. And I'm just going to delete that one. And once you want to add a new one, just press plus and just add your measurements. But once you have decided which one you want, simply press OK and choose between print entire page or fill entire page, which is what I typically choose. So I typically choose print entire image so that I can get everything that's on the printable on that paper. And once you have that, simply click print and you're good to go. And that's how you resize a printable. Keep rising to be who you want to be. And if you want to check out more printables like this, check out my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Keep rising.
Check out my Rising to Be time blocking printable to help you find more time in your day to increase your productivity so that you can get more done. Time blocking allows for you to manage your time and split your day into blocks of time. Take control of your day and how you spend your time. Finally, get everything done on your to-do list by scheduling the time for every task you have and accomplishing it, and only that for that block in your day. By having your day blocked out in advance, you won't have to wonder what task to focus on next. You'll just move on to the next task and complete it. You can download my printable from my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options available on my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Be sure to download my Rising to Be 5 and Thrive tracker to help you thrive every single day. No matter how hectic your schedule gets, my 5 and Thrive tracker will allow you to truly take control of your day by simply doing 5 things that help you to improve yourself for the better and thrive. These 5 tasks won't have to take a lot of time out of your busy schedule, but they're big enough to make an impact. Tracking things like writing your daily affirmations or goals, reading a book or listening to a book, getting active for 30 minutes a day, listening to a motivational podcast, and writing in your gratitude journal. You can even use a planner to track these daily goals using stencils and simply shading in the tasks that you have completed for the day. Now, I'm not saying you'll always be perfect every day, but it will help you to improve and get closer to your goals, allowing you to build discipline in yourself and stay committed to your goals. What 5 goals will you track so that you can thrive every single day? Start thriving today with my 5 and Thrive tracker from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options available on my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Check out my Rising to Be brain dump printable. Organize your life and day. Sometimes when our minds are scattered, we just need some clarity. By clearing our minds of what's weighing us down, we can easily get more done on our to-do list. Start taking control of your day by sorting out your priorities into different categories like home, health, work, and school. Start tackling those tasks in the category of your choosing, or you can use the brain dump printable for those random reminders that pop up in your head while you're working. Just jot them down in the specific category so you won't forget to do it in your day or week. Only you can make today a good day or a bad day. The choice is yours using my brain dump printable. Change your day to change your life. You can download the printable from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options available on my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Stop forgetting to buy that almond milk from the grocery store and use my Rising to Be grocery list, helping you make every grocery run productive. Instead of running around the store grabbing things you don't need, keep focused and stay on budget using the different grocery categories. Cut down on the amount of time you spend in the store. Track your grocery store pickups so that you won't make the mistake of buying things twice when you already have 3 tubes of toothpaste at home. My Rising to Be grocery list will help you and your household stay in sync and help you shop with purpose instead of buying what you don't need. You can download the printable from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Take the fuss out of what you're having for dinner using my Rising to Be meal planner printable, helping you prep your meals ahead of time and saving you money on unnecessary takeout you don't need. Plan out your favorite meal for the week or finally try out that new recipe you've been dying to try. No matter what you cook, just make sure that you have a plan. You don't want to be at the stove cooking and then realize you're missing a highly important ingredient that can easily mess up the entire meal unless you add it to the recipe. In order to kick your takeout habit, we have to first fill our fridge with better options. My Rising to Be meal planner printable will help you plan your meals for the week and help you to track what you're eating in your day. You can download the printable from my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Neutral, low ink, and editable options available on my Etsy store, Rising to Be. Use my code Rising to Be to save 24% on your entire order. Offer ends April 28th.